everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy as always. If you are new to this channel and looking for important INBDE or NBDE Part 1 questions with answers, you are at the right location. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video that I post pretty much daily. So let's start. Alright, the very first slide will always provide you the answers to my previous videos 10 unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have tried solving those. Moving to the next slide. So here are 10 more questions with answers. And moving to the third one. There are 5 more questions with answers. And this is the last slide, which is presenting the 10 next unsolved question. So please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers. So I will provide the answers to all of these in my next video as usual. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.